Okay, next thing that I'm going to review is this guy. This is a Kiwano Melon, which I reviewed before, but the one that I reviewed before was, it was fine. It wasn't that great. When I ate it, people commented like, oh, you just didn't have a really good one. The one that I had in the past, I got at a supermarket in Virginia. I think supermarkets in the US like these things because they last a really long time, so you can put them on the shelf and people can just like pick them up when they're like, oh, I've never seen that before. That's so weird. Mommy, buy it for me. And they'll like take it home. But I don't think those are really good quality ones. So I wanted to try one from the source. These are an African fruit. I'm in Africa. Let's see what Kiwano melons are supposed to taste like. So I'm just gonna cut this guy open. Yeah, looks pretty good. Nice and juicy looking. She had, the vendor that sold this to me had ones that were green, and she said like, oh, those ones you wait 2 days and they'll be good. But she said this one is ready to go. As you can see, it's got still a little bit of green coloring to it. And I don't have a spoon, which is normally how I would eat this. So I'm gonna actually peel off some of that rind. This is not normally how you would eat it, I know, but you know what? Like right now, I'm just gonna have to do what I can. This is like fruit survival here. You see those little pulplets in there? Nice and juicy looking, very succulent. You see those little seeds in there too? They look a little bit like, I don't know, like a small melon seed. That's good. That's very different than the one that I had before. The ones that you get at the supermarkets in the US don't really taste like much of anything. They just kind of have like a cucumber kind of flavor. This tastes like cucumber still, but it has a sourness to it. Like almost like if you took like cucumber and lime and mixed them together. But I think like the Kiwano melon that I had in the past had like a little bit of that, but it tasted kind of underripe. This tastes like it's ready. The texture is kind of gross. It's just like frog spawn, you know, it's like you're getting like little egg sacs in your mouth. It's kind of gross, but the flavor that it has is quite good. It tastes a little bit like a cucumber salad, but with the texture that is not so great. It also has like a little hint of a savory flavor to it, kind of like tomatoes maybe. Yeah, so I think that the Kiwano melons that we get in the US are not exactly what it should be. These taste like that, but they're a little bit nicer. They've got more flavor, a little bit more tartness to it. But they do taste similar, just a little bit better. The ones that you get at supermarkets are kind of bland. This is not bland. I think if you can get around that texture, if you can make a juice out of this, it'd be really good. Or if you like cooked with it or put it like on something as like a sauce or mixed it with a fruit salad or something, that'd be really tasty. On its own, still pretty good. It's a little weird eating it out of hand just for that kind of like fish egg texture that it has. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye. I want to give a special shout out to AltPod and Smarter Every Day. They are mega patrons over on patreon.com. Patreon is how this channel happens. It's how I can afford to do all the things that I do. So if you want to help me out by supporting the channel and getting some bonuses along the way, check out the description. I also have these shirts for sale. Those are in the description as well. See you next time. Bye.